Oh, there's a robin. Robin. What's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning into another video. Really appreciate it. Sorry there's been a lack of uploads, but nothing's been happening, so there's been nothing to film. This weekend's at the first weekend anything's happened, so I decided to record it. I was going to bring my proper camera to record it, but I forgot it, so I've had to use my phone. So if the quality's a bit naff, that's why, because it's filmed on my phone. As you can see, if you're not from England, we've had a little bit of snow. We haven't had a lot of snow. Loads of people are like freaking out, going, "Ooh, we've had loads of snow and a tiny bit of snow and the whole of England stops and all this lot." We haven't had that. So we've had about 5 inches, 4 or 5 inches. But it's all melting now. We haven't had snow for a couple of days, and as you can see, most of it's melted. So yeah, in this video, what we're going to be doing is just pulling out some tractors, because we've had new concrete. Oh, there's a robin. Robins look cool, don't they? Anyway, yeah. Yeah. In this video, all I'm doing is pulling out some tractors with my uncle, my granddad, and putting them on the new concrete. Because if you haven't watched any of the other Grey Fergie videos, and this is the first one that you've seen, go back and look. You'll notice the floor's all rubble and it's like ankle breaking, and it really hurts your feet. And then when you're trying to push the tractor, it takes like 4 of you to try and push it out. But that's all sorted now. We've got concrete floors, so we've put them all up onto the concrete floors. They're really easy to push now. And news on the Grey Fergie. In a couple of weeks' time, there's going to be a good video. Well, I hope it's going to be a good video, because what I'm going to be doing is splitting it. Because if you didn't know, the reason why I haven't driven... That robin's following me. It's getting right close to you. I think it's because it wants me to like kick some snow about so it can get to the worms or something. But anyway, if you didn't know about the Grey Fergie, the reason I haven't been driving it is because the clutch is stuck. Like, the clutch is... it don't work. You put your foot down and nothing happens. So to put it in gear, you can't. You have to jam it in, and I don't really like doing that. And then to take it out gear, if you put your foot on the clutch whilst you're moving, you just carry on. So you have to yank it out of gear or pull the stop. So that's not very good. So obviously now it's on concrete, I can jack up the engine, jack up the back, obviously probably on wheels, and then like unbolt it and slide it out and then free the clutch off. So yeah, then the clutch will be able to work. So thanks for tuning into another video. It's probably going to be a bit of a boring one, but if you like it, feel free to like. To all the new subscribers, really appreciate it. Thank you very much for subscribing. And to everybody, I feel really bad, but to everybody who has commented shout out, or anyone who's commented that they'd like a shout out, I promise I haven't forgot. I swear I haven't forgot. I just feel really bad because I can't remember them all, and then every time I'm at home I forget to write them down or just make a reminder. Then when I get here, I either forget them, like forget the names, so I can't say it, and I was thinking just doing the shout outs on the Grey Fergie videos. So I swear down, the next like productive Grey Fergie video, not just me showing you it pushing it around, like I mean actually like hands on working on the Grey Fergie, the next one we have of them, I swear down, you're going to be getting your shout outs. It's going to be a long one. There's going to be a list of about 10 people to shout out, but I'll be shouting you out. So everyone who's commented shout out, I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry that I haven't done them yet, but I swear I haven't forgot you. I have not forgot you. I'm definitely going to be giving you your shout outs. So yeah, thanks for watching another video, guys. If you like it, feel free to give it a like. It really helps me out. It really helps my channel progress. I've noticed I'm gaining quite a few subscribers now. I'm really happy. We hit 60 subscribers, so thank you to every single one of you that has subscribed. I really truly appreciate it. All the people that comment, I love it. I love reading everyone's comments and I love replying to them. So if you've got any questions, anything at all, just comment. Just comment down below. Or any criticism, like any criticism, anything I'm doing wrong, feel free to tell me. You don't have to be nasty about it, because you know that's just how I do it. But if there's anything you don't like, just put it down below. Just tell me what I can improve. You don't have to be nasty about it. Just be like, oh, you can improve this. Oh, that music were rubbish. Oh, the music were too loud. Or the video wasn't long enough. So yeah, thank you, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, feel free to like, subscribe, share the video with your friends, and I will see you lot in the next one. Bye. Okay then guys, as you can see, we've got the 30D, the fergie, the Marshall up onto the new concrete. Got them all up. See, I've pushed it as far as this way, but I'm sorry about the lights. The solar powered lights, because it's been snowing. It's been snowing here quite a bit. They're not very bright, so apologise if you can't see. But I'm getting some battery powered lights from my filming.